Ninja BN301 Nutri-Blender plus Compact Personal Blender in-depth reviews. This product has 4.8 stars based on 776 ratings and 75 reviews. 95% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 3% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Great blender. I owned the 700-watt Ninja for at least 5 years, and it has held up with several frozen smoothies made daily, at times even more. But it's been leaking at times, so I decided to get the 900-watt because it was same price, $60. 900-watt one blends really well. Cups are a little taller, and so it's been harder to blend, but I think I need to reorganize my fruits and spinach. It's way smoother consistency than the 700, and I also use ground flax in mine. I dislike the cup lids mostly. The tops are not a snap and stay in place like the 700-watt lids. I feel like if I dropped it with the lid on, that it would most definitely pop off. The 900-watt comes with 3 cups, which is awesome. By the looks on both bases, the 900-watt will be way easier to clean with spills as well. Overall, both the 700 and 900 are great and really easy to use. My 10-year-old has been making her own smoothies for a long time. I also own a Vitamix, which is amazing, but these on-the-go cups are great for daily work life and when I don't want to take the big one out. Safe for kids to use. Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Caution: wattage not as advertised. I bought 2 of these, for me and my son, and overall they are satisfactory, but it is not 900 watts. Right on the unit it says 700 watts. The incorrect advertising originates with Ninja, because the box also says 900 watts. In the package you get the manual for the BN300, so I wonder how much difference there is between the 2 models. You also get a smoothie recipe book for the Nutri-Blender Plus. Having said all this, I suppose 700 watts will be enough for most purposes, so I'm not returning TM. I just don't like deceptive advertising. Wattage is an important factor in selecting this kind of appliance. That's it.
This is the Ninja Personal Blender. We use it for our shakes. It comes with 1 blade, 2 16-ounce cups, and these travel lids that you can just put right on the cup once you're done making your shake. We love this thing. I'm going to show you how it works real quick. That is a wicked sharp blade. Almond milk, some PB2, and a shake mix in there. And you throw a little ice on top. Put that blade on there. Blade's on. Mixes in. Then you just turn it. Those grooves fit right in there. And that's literally how easy it is. You just push down. Then you just put your travel lid on it and take it with you to the gym.